Всем привет! С вами Катя из Медикал Авеню. Вы хотите похудеть к лету или для своего здоровья? Вы слышали о методе похудения на основе корейской традиционной медицины, но не знаете, насколько это безопасно и эффективно? Именно для этого мы пригласили доктора Ройера из клиники Часен и задали ему 3 самых популярных вопроса о методике похудения. Итак, смотрим доктора Ройера и надеемся, что формула на основе натуральных трав поможет вам похудеть. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us, and today Medical Avenue has a very special guest, Dr. Royer. We are at the clinic Chasén. We will tell you more about the clinic because it's a very unique clinic that specializes in Korean traditional medicine. But today we have 3 questions. It's our new topic for you, dear patients. 3 questions for the doctor. And Dr. Royer gave us his precious time to answer your questions. Today we're going to talk, Dr. Royer, about weight loss. So I know the topic in general has lots of interest in Korean society, all over the world. It doesn't matter the gender, the age, everybody think and try to maintain the good body shape, right? Dr. Royer, many patients are interested. How safe is the program?
I have to say, and I have many patients who do the program. The program is very safe.
Okay.
The program is, of course, there are different parts we could include in the program.
Okay.
But mainly we use like herbal medication.
So it's organic. It's absolutely.
It's absolutely organic. So that means a combination, a decoction of different herbs, mixture. Yeah, which is an experienced recipe,
okay.
Which we use for many years already, and we did a lot of study how it works, and we have seen the effects. We have seen that it has very little side effects,
okay.
Almost none. So I would say overall it's a very safe medicine.
So the conclusion and answer for question number 1, the medication is very safe. I wouldn't even call it medication, but it's a herbs, as doctor said. So it's safe and sound. Now, the next question that we have, Dr. Royer, for you is our patients who are, they have very active lifestyle. Some of them are even celebrities, doing some concert shows. The others are working moms that have also do many corporate activities. So the question is very simple, but they're asking, is it safe to consume alcohol while you take the medication?
Alcohol, I would say it depends, of course, on how much alcohol you want to drink.
Okay, the amount of alcohol?
Of course, and I tried myself, and what I hear from the patient's response, I would say 1 glass of wine or 1 beer or so, doesn't matter.
So there is no restriction not to consume alcohol?
I mean, alcohol is not the alcohol in a small amount is the problem. Usually when you drink alcohol you start to eat some, and then depends on what you eat additionally, so that might contradict with what you want to do, is losing weight.
The goal is to lose weight.
The goal is so that might be the problem. It's not so much about the safety, drinking alcohol with the medications, but why should I drink alcohol? I want to lose weight and I drink alcohol and eat a lot of stuff with the alcohol. Okay. So that doesn't make the sense. So
the question is very simple. The answer is simple as well, right? If you are going to lose weight, focus on it. The third question that our patients are frequently asking us is basically if this is a standard package of herbs or is individually based recipes.
That's a good question. I would say I always look into the history or the overall condition, health condition of the patient. So if I see there are some conditions going on, then I will try to address those conditions as far as is possible and doesn't interfere with the main goal of the treatment. So I can, the prescription I do is mostly individual.
Okay, so it's based on individual medical history, some diseases. So,
the basic, I would say there are a few basic recipes, and according to the patient's condition, I modify it a little bit.
Perfect. So basically, that's the question maybe from my side. We always try to get some blood test, maybe some, of course, to fill out the application.
Yeah.
So it kind of reaffirms me. So it's necessary to check the medical history, to check the blood test in order for you to prepare an individual recipe for the patient.
That's the best way, yeah, because it's always good to know the history, to know the overall condition, because sometimes you have overweight but you don't know why.
Okay.
So it could be actually a medical condition that leads to overweight.
Okay.
So we have to rule out those medical conditions by doing basic tests. Yeah? Because if you have like diabetes, if you have thyroid problems, which also can lead to weight gain, so then those issues have to be always also addressed.
I understand.
So that's why it's important to get a full picture of the body's condition.
Perfect. So thank you for watching us, and today I just want to remind you that this is Dr. Royer, a main doctor at Chasen Clinic. He is specializing in Korean traditional treatment, including weight loss. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.